Here I have BLACKVIEW A20 and let me show you how to reset DRM license on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to open the list of all apps, find and select the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Here you need to choose reset options and select here DRM reset. So if you would like to delete all DRM license, let's tap DRM reset and tap OK to confirm the following operation. That's it, the license have been deleted successfully, so everything went well. Now you may go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.